Better ways to express 15 common adjectives. 1. Beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, breathtaking, exquisite, radiant. 2. Happy, joyful, delighted, ecstatic, content, elated. 3. Sad, sorrowful, melancholic, heartbroken, grief-stricken, dejected. 4. Angry, furious, enraged, livid, wrathful, incensed. 5. Funny, hilarious, comical, amusing, witty, entertaining. 6. Smart, intelligent, clever, brilliant, knowledgeable, sharp. 7. Brave, courageous, fearless, valiant, heroic, daring. 8. Kind, compassionate, benevolent, generous, caring, considerate. 9. Tired, exhausted, fatigued, weary, drained, worn out. 10. Big, enormous, massive, gigantic, immense, substantial. 11. Small, tiny, petite, minuscule, compact, little. 12. Exciting, thrilling, electrifying, exhilarating, riveting, adventurous. 13. Calm, serene, tranquil, peaceful, placid, relaxed. 14. Creative, imaginative, innovative, artistic, inventive, original. 15. Delicious, delectable, mouth-watering, scrumptious, tasty, savory. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!